So, welcome back to TCTV. I'm here with my little brother Gabe. And we are on the way to my uncle's house. And my uncle is the Angaram guy. You might have seen him. Links in the description. So, yeah. Hopefully you guys enjoy the video. This one has a mullet. Nice mullet, bro. Marty, those mullets are legendary. So we've got to walk up the steep as hill to get to the generator. Gabe's with us. Yep. How do we show the angle? Maybe like this.
Quite hard, eh?
So,
film from over there.
yeah. So there's the tree, like this, and this is the angle we're on. Watch your step.
So like,
Yeah. So this is like the setup.
water comes through the pipe, spins the generator, power goes straight into the battery back, 24 volts, and then from there we boost it, 240.
It's awesome.
And then the power goes up the hill, half a kilometre to the house.
Yeah, so that's how my uncle powers his house. It's pretty cool. Pretty cool. So yeah, once again, water through the pipes into the generator, which is this white one here, made out of washing machine. I'll link to the video of how my uncle made that in the description. The power goes from there into that box, which has all the batteries and the inverter, and then it goes up this hill to his house. This is a pretty cool setup, Marty.
It looks like it's made from rubbish because it is all recycled, eh? That's an old washing machine I found at the dump. You can see I'll spin it from the back end.
Only just, yeah. So yeah, there is a way to power your house. It's pretty cool, eh, Gabe?
Yeah, very cool. All recycled.
All recycled.